earth do I use the Divi Builder? What do I use the Divi Builder for? When do I use the Divi Builder? If you've asked all these questions, then this tip is for you. Okay, so let me give you a little history on the Divi Builder. This was a major update a few years ago. So when I started using the Divi Builder, when I started using Divi, the builder did not exist. So how exactly do you use the Divi Builder? You really want to utilize it for information that is going to be across many pages of your website. Okay, so this video is not going to be a how to use it. It's going to be a when to use it. And this is just going to give you some clarity on exactly what the Divi Builder is and how it can help you. So the Divi Builder really helps to design for large chunks of information one time. For example, if you want more options other than what's in the theme customizer to design your header and footer, then create your header and footer in the Divi Builder, because these two pieces of content usually go across your entire website. So remember back to our photography website. So this is what the Divi Builder looks like. And if you did not follow that process, I will leave the playlist for you in the description below, because it's going to take you step by step how to build this. So actually, you can build the header and footer. I show you how to build the header and footer in the Divi theme. So I'm not going to, and I cannot talk today. I show you how to build the header and the footer in the Divi Builder. Okay, we got it now. And a whole bunch of other stuff on how to use the website. So just go check that out, because I'm not going to repeat all of that information here. So we created the logo, which is the header, and I'll just look here. So here is our header. So if you remember, we created the logo and our menu in the Divi Builder. So this is going to be on every single page, because we also call it global. And then the footer, we did the same thing, because that is across every single page as well. So it really is a time saver, because it allows you to create repeated content one time and then add it to all your pages. But what if you want to tweak the header and footer for specific pages? Well, you can do that too. Simply copy it to the next template. So we will go like this. Okay, add new template. That's what we're going to do. Build new, and we'll say we only want this on the home page, because we want to tweak it. Okay, so now that we've copied it, we're going to come here and we're going to disable global. So that's no longer global. But if we go in, we still have it. So then we can come in here and we can tweak it how we would like it for that specific page. And then you can start designing. But it also saves time if, let's say, we didn't want the menu bar on our home page. Why you would do that, I don't know. But because we set this specific page to home page, that's what we're going with. We could go in and we could just delete that right here. And then it would just leave the logo up there. So let me say this. I don't think you should use the Divi Builder to design one page. So go into pages and design your one page there. The builder was really intended to design batches of pages all at once, and that's how it should be utilized. You have a lot of options to batch design, and I really like to use it for blog posts. So on my Life Unboxed.blog site, you can see it's definitely utilized here. That I use it to create specific category pages. So let's go. Here we go. So this is my specific category, raising your kids. So if you check out, so each category of the blog, so raising your kids, running your business, and keeping your sanity, you will see that they're very similar except for the main header or my hero image. Go back to the previous Divi tip if you need to know what that is. So my hero image is different on every single one of these categories. And I also use it for blog post pages. So I've set this for all posts. So one of the advantages for creating a template for all of your blog posts in the Divi Builder is I added the Google's add code to Divi Builder. And I only had to add it once because I used the Divi Builder. So the placement of the ads are consistent across all the blog pages. So I don't have to keep adding the code to every single post. I add it once to the Divi Builder template and I'm done. It is the same with actually, let's go in there so you can see what I am talking about. Okay, so you can't really see the code right here. Let's see. If we were to go, I think you could see it. If we were to go into the grid. Yeah, so you can see I have a code module here. And so that's where the Divi ads is at. So it doesn't really show up in the visual builder. Okay, let's go back to the visual builder so you can see what I'm talking about. So what I've done is all of this stays the same. I've built it and formatted it how I want it. So it is it's consistent across the board. So also what you have, this is the code module. That was another one. So if you were to look on the post, you would see that I have a Google ad right here. It just doesn't really show up in here, but it is there. And then I added some lead magnets on the sidebar and also on the footer as well. So down here as well. So if I wanted to, let's say, update this, I created a different email opt-in, then I could just come in here and change it, and it would change it across every single post on my website. So it is really, it's useful for when you get to the point of having like over 150 posts on your website, like I currently do. And I'm just starting out. So can you imagine trying to update each post when I want to change that email opt-in? It would be a ton of work. So let's go back over here. The Divi Builder allows you to make changes across your entire website if you are using it. Since the Divi Builder is utilizing what WordPress's Gutenberg, and you can go watch part 1 of our website terms to find out what Gutenberg is. Your posts need to be added directly into the Gutenberg Builder. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to create a template. That is really something that requires more of an in-depth how-to video. But I did create a video for a client on how to add a post with when a Divi template is being used for a blog. And so I will leave that link for that video in the description below. So definitely check it out if you want to learn more. Happy creating wonderful mom bosses, and I will see you in the next show.